throughout our lecture series and session. So one by one I would discuss all the things, but right now in this introduction lecture or video, I'm going to tell you about the subject verb agreement. This is the most important thing one need to consider to improve his or her grammar and speaking skills. And there are approximately 13 rules. Right now in this video I'll share or discuss with you a couple of rules. Let's move to the first one. First of all, I'll explain that what subject verb agreement actually is. There are multiple subjects. There are approximately 8, like I, we, you, he, she, it, name like single noun or plural noun, and they. These are the 8 subjects which we keep using in speaking, and with that we have to put a verb. So verb is basically what we know, that kind of action, to stand up, to sit down, or etc. But verb actually changes its form as well when we are talking about different kinds of subjects. For example, you can see in this rule number 1, if there are 2 or more subjects joined by comma and and, you need to consider these subjects as a whole, the plural subject, and according to that you need to write the verb, like as you know that in present indefinite tense with she and he etc, we put s with the verb, like this is the verb work, and we put s here. In present indefinite tense we have the rule that with third person singular we always add the letter s with the verb. You can see in this example that Jan, John and Bob walk to the store. So why did we put walk here? Because there are 3 subjects, 1, 2, 3. So this verb is written here according to the combination of these 3 subjects. Okay,